Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the resource. Today, we're exploring the website of Teachers Insurance and Annuity Association of America, or TIAA, found at https://www.tiaa.org/public. This organization offers a range of financial services, primarily focusing on those working in the academic, research, medical, and cultural fields. Their online platform serves as a central hub for accessing information about these services, from retirement planning and investing to banking and insurance. Navigating the site, you'll discover resources tailored specifically to the unique needs of these professions. This includes specialized retirement plan options, guidance on managing educational expenses, and insights into long-term financial wellness. TIAA's website aims to empower individuals in these sectors to make informed decisions about their financial futures. They provide tools and resources for planning retirement, understanding different investment strategies, and managing day-to-day banking needs. The website is designed to be user-friendly, allowing visitors to easily explore different product offerings, access educational materials, and manage their accounts. Beyond retirement planning, TIAA also offers various insurance options, such as life insurance and long-term care insurance. These additional services contribute to a comprehensive financial picture for individuals and their families. It's worth noting that the site also features a news and insights section, keeping members up to date on current market trends and financial advice. This regular flow of information can prove invaluable in navigating the complex world of personal finance. Overall, TIAA.org provides a valuable resource for those in the academic, research, medical, and cultural fields looking to secure their financial well-being. Whether you're just starting your career or planning for retirement, exploring their website can offer a wealth of information and tools to support your journey. So, I encourage you to check out the website for yourself and explore the various services they offer.